Blood idioms. Britlish.com. Bad blood.
Animosity and ill feeling between people because of the past disagreement or argument is known as bad blood. All the problems in Romeo and Juliet were caused by bad blood between the two families.
To have blue blood. To have blue blood is to be descended from aristocracy.
He claims to be related to royalty, but he's got as much blue blood as my cat.
Burst or bust a blood vessel.
To become enraged by something is to almost burst a blood vessel.
My father almost burst a blood vessel when he saw what I had done to his car. To make your blood boil. Something or someone that makes your blood boil enrages you.
The way young people these days disrespect their elders makes my blood boil.
Your own flesh and blood.
Your own flesh and blood is any of your family or close relations.
Why would anyone treat their own flesh and blood as badly as she does?
Blood-curdling.
Anything which is terrible and fills you with a feeling of horror is blood-curdling.
I heard a blood-curdling scream and found her with her hand trapped in the machinery.
In cold blood.
In cold blood means to behave in a merciless and unfeeling manner.
He murdered the entire family in cold blood. New blood.
New blood is used to describe new people brought into an organization to bring new ideas.
The only way we're going to get out of this mess is to bring in some new blood. Out for blood.
Someone who is out for blood is looking to get revenge for someone else's actions.
I don't know what you said to him, but he's out for blood. Make your blood run cold.
Something that makes your blood run cold shocks, horrifies, or frightens you greatly. The thought of facing them with no protection whatsoever made my blood run cold.
To smell blood.
To recognize a weakness in an opponent and to be ready to take advantage of them is to smell blood.
A lawyer at the scene of an accident is like a shark smelling blood.